Hello, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve June Leetcode challenge problem, which is merge sorted array. There are two integer array has been given, nums1 and nums2, and sorted in decreasing order there has been given, and there are also two integer has also given, that is m and n, where m is nums1 size and n is nums2 size, and I'll have to merge the both array, and there one tricks there is, in nums1 there is a 3 number where 3 number has been non-zero and other 3 number is 0, as example 1, and where the m is 3, that means that nums of size is basically 1 2 3, that means nums of 1 array size is 3, that is 1 2 3, that is the element, and nums2 that is 2 5 6, that is the n is equals to 3. So nums2 size is 3 where the number of element has been given 3, and we'll have to merge that. After merging I'll find there 1 2 2 3 5 6. So I am trying to solve this problem. So how I am approaching this problem, let's do that and let's watch it. Let's take an example, that is that is 1, making an array 2 3 0 0 0. So basically the last 3 0 is basically to place the element of nums2. So that is num1 and that is num2. So where 2 5 6 is present, num2. So my approach is that basically I am putting a pointer here, and I am also putting in pointer there, and I am putting another pointer there. So I'll have to comparison with that in 3 and in 3 that is 6. So which is greater? So here 6 is greater, so I am putting that value here, 6. So that pointer comes here right now. Putting that value that here. So and also 6 also become, that pointer also came here. So now I'll have to compare 3 and 5, which is greater, that is greater. So I am putting there, and that one become there, and also that pointer become here. So now I am comparing with 3 and 2. So here 3 is greater, so I am putting that pointer there, and the value is become 3. And now there is 2 and 2. So what I'll have to put? So you can choose any of them. Suppose there is an is equals to or something, there will be another case. So 2 up to, so I have been taking there, so that is 2, and that pointer is become 1, goes to 1. Now there is 1 and 2, so which is greater? That is 2. So that is 2, and now the pointer is become there, that is null. So rest apart, so 1 has been present, so 1 is putting there. So basically the time complexity is that type of range I'll have to cover there, and that length I have been covering there. So basically if that is the length is m and that is n, so basically m plus n. And what is the starting pointer index basically? So that is the starting pointer index is basically m plus n minus 1. Why? Because 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I have been present that 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is equals to 6. So that's why I have been taking index as a pointer 3 m plus n minus 1. So I am trying to solve this problem, and now I am trying to implement that. So how I'll implement that, let's do that. That is integer t is equals to m plus n minus 1, the last pointer basically in the result matrix, result vector. So I is become m minus 1, integer j is equals to n minus 1. So while I is greater than or equals to 0 and j is greater than or equals to 0, so both pointer till now the value has been present, so I have been comparing with each other. So nums of 1 is greater than nums of 2 of j is equals to nums of 1t is equals to nums of 1i. There t minus minus and I minus minus, I minus minus. Else condition where the greater than or equals to both case, less than or equals to nums of 1 nums of 2 of j, and there t minus minus j minus minus, right? And now suppose one pointer is basically has been finished, so rest apart will have been finishing off. So I is greater than 0, there nums of t is equals to nums of 1 is equals to nums of I t minus minus I minus minus, and same here for the j pointer, nums of 1 t is equals to nums of 2j t minus minus j minus minus. So basically there is a void function, so there is nothing to return there. So I am trying to running their code, and if something compilation error or not, let's check that. Yeah, it is accepted. Now trying to solve submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.